Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake fluid in a BMW 3 Series. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, which can significantly reduce your braking performance and safety. It's crucial to use the correct DOT4 brake fluid, as specified for your BMW. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools, including a turkey baster, a 10mm wrench, and clear vinyl tubing. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface for safety. First, locate the brake fluid reservoir, usually found under the hood on the driver's side. Carefully open the cap and use a clean turkey baster to extract as much of the old, discolored fluid as possible from the reservoir. This step helps prevent mixing old and new fluid. Once the reservoir is nearly empty, wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Now, fill the reservoir with fresh, new DOT4 brake fluid up to the maximum fill line. Next, you'll bleed the brakes, starting with the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, the rear right. Attach one end of your clear tubing to the bleeder valve and submerge the other end into a container with some new brake fluid. Have an assistant pump the brake pedal 5 to 10 times, then hold it firmly down. While they hold the pedal, quickly open the bleeder valve for 2 to 3 seconds until you see clear, bubble-free fluid. Then, close the valve. Remember to close the bleeder valve completely before your assistant releases the brake pedal. Repeat this bleeding process at each wheel in the correct sequence: rear right, then rear left, followed by front right, and finally front left. Throughout the process, continuously monitor the fluid level in the reservoir, topping it off as needed to prevent air from entering the system. Once finished, ensure the reservoir is at the maximum level and test your brake pedal for a firm feel before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.